Hi everyone, welcome back to Phemex. Today, we're going to show you how to copy trade as a user. Let's get started. Firstly, register or make sure to log in to your Phemex account. Once you've done that, hover on Contract and click the second button titled Copy Trade. Once you have clicked that, you will be presented with a list of all the top recommended traders, along with their credentials. As a user, you will have two options. The first one being following a top trader, and the second one being following and copying the top trader. So there are many benefits to following a top trader. Firstly, you can gain access to their positions. However, keep in mind that the traders can hide their positions too if they do not want to be published. Users will also get notifications when the followed top trader opens or closes their positions. Now, the second option is to follow and copy the top trader. Copying the top trader will first lead you to configure some settings, such as trading pairs, max investments, leverage, and then depositing your money into a copy trading account. The next step is to wait for the top trader to either open or close the positions, as Phemex will automatically open or close the positions for the users. Users can manage their own copied positions by themselves as well. Please take note that if the copied positions are profitable, then 10% of the profit will be given to the top trader. In order to protect the user, Phemex will calculate the profit in a cycle to determine the amount of profit share. But what else can users do on this page? Well, you can hover over the Details button to learn more about your copy trade. As you can see, all the details will pop up right here for you to check or learn more about it. It even has dates and times for accuracy. Lastly, if you want to end the copy trade, you must click on the Close button at the far right of the table. When you do that, a pop-up window will appear asking the user to confirm if they want to close their position. Click Confirm, and that's it. Congrats, you are now officially a user who knows how to copy trade. Make sure to check out Phemex user guides for more tutorials on how to use our services.